Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can check saved password in Google Password Manager. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. If you have more than one Google account, click on it over here and tap on the preferable one. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now click on the one that you wish to check. I will go with my Facebook one. Enter your current login method and select this eye next to your password. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!